Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Technical Academy. In this presentation we are going to solve some numerical problems on diode current equation. As you have studied about the diode current equation and we have derived the diode current equation for the different cases, for example for the germanium diode and for the silicon diode, and we have also derived the equation for the reverse bias diode. So let us start to solve some numerical problems. So our first question is, when a reverse bias is applied to a germanium diode, germanium PN junction diode, the reverse saturation current at room temperature is 0.3 microampere. Determine the current flowing in the diode when 0.15 forward bias is applied at the room temperature. So let us solve this example. So in this question our given quantities are here: reverse saturation current is equals to 0.3 microampere, which is given, and forward bias potential is equals to 0.15 voltage. So we have to find out the diode current. So we are applying the germanium diode equation, which is equals to ID is equals to I naught into close bracket e to the power 40 Vf minus 1. So if you will put the given values in this equation, here our given values are 0.3 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is reverse saturation current, and the forward bias potential is also given, that is equals to 0.15 voltage. So if you will solve this, then you will get 0.12073 milliampere, which is equals to 120.73 microampere. So the current flowing in the PN junction diode under the forward bias is 120.73 microampere. So this is the solution for the given numerical examples. Now we are going to solve the another example. So our next example is, the reverse saturation current of a silicon diode is 10 microampere. Calculate the diode current for the forward bias voltage of 0.6 voltage at 25 degrees Celsius. So here in this question our reverse saturation current is given as 10 microampere, and forward bias voltage is equals to 0.6 volt, and the temperature is given as 25 degrees Celsius, which is equals to 298 Kelvin. So we are applying the diode current equation for the silicon diode in this case, which is equals to ID is equals to I naught, which is reverse saturation current, into e to the power 20 Vf minus 1. So if you will put the given values in this equation, then you will get 1.62 ampere, which is the diode current in this given question. So this is our obtained value. So friends, if you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and you can like my videos, and you can share with your friend if you like this video, that this video is helpful for your exams and for your concepts. So you can share with your friends. Okay, thank you.